Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special video, a quick unboxing, something that came in through our pass around. Let me go ahead and take a look on this. Today I'm opening up with my Paramilitary 2. This is an anniversary knife that I got from my wife. Let me make sure I can get into this box. Hold on, I'm going to open it over here. I think it's got a little... There we go. All right, so let's make sure. Okay, so we have something in here. It's something from Divo Knives. All right, let's take a look. This is, ooh, it's a slip joint. Okay, so a nice leather pouch, as you can see, and a nice little leather slip joint here. Very nice. This is their slip joint coming on Urban EDC. Let's take a look and see what this is. Hold on a second, guys. So this is the Barley prototype. This is a Kevin and Colin from Divo Knives design. Very cool little knife. I love the Sagai pattern. Blue titanium handles. Beautiful backstop. Really nice, strong walk and talk. Clicks really well. Oh, I love the finger choil. All right, this might be the one that might do it for me. I like everything about this a lot. All right. Okay, very, very cool. I'm digging this right here. All right, look at that. Really nice walk and talk, super tight right there. So I'm not a big slip joint guy, but you know what? I enjoyed checking them out. I'm enjoying seeing more and more of them, especially quality ones. This is really cool. All the tolerances are really tight. Looks like T8s all the way around, which is really, really nice. Looks like it's got, it's not a captive pivot, so you have two screws on there, but it's very, very thin, which I like a lot. And it locks up really well up there. Yeah, so if your finger's on here, there's going to be less chance of it like breaking and going down and cutting your finger because your hand's right there holding that. So, and it's got a nice grip. So I have large hands. It's really plenty of room right there. Really nice texture on there. I like that. Very thin blades. Totally a flat grind. You can see that, but really nicely done. I do enjoy that. And this slip joint little case here is really, really nice. Fits in there really nicely. That's a really nice touch. I do like that a lot. I think I would do it like that. It'd be a little easier to get out, I would imagine. I think it's probably meant to be like that, but to me it'd be easier to get out like that. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I believe it's M390 blade steel. Let me see if I can find the specs on that. All right, yeah, so this is M390 blade steel, titanium scales. It's a non-locking slip joint, half stop, nice long nail nick, what they call, or at least place to open up the knife. It's 6.75 inches, 2.45 on the blade. Pretty light. Looks like it might be made by someone in China, so I'm not sure if that's Riyadh or Bestech, but the quality is excellent. It's simply outstanding. Looks like it's going to be available in early 2024, and the pre-order is done. So I missed the pre-order, which is kind of a bummer. I'd like to have gotten in on that. Maybe they'll have some extra ones when they do come in, but man, that walk and talk is really nice. I wish this had come in a little sooner where I could have done the pre-order on this thing. That would have been nice. Yeah. Got a nice edge there. I like that. It's a very functional knife, easy to use. Definitely a nice little slippy kind of a, you can slip it in, right? I mean, that's the whole idea, right? It's not a threatening knife, something you can use, cut letters, envelopes, boxes with. Works really well. I love the finger choil on this thing. This is simply outstanding. Yeah, this is what I'm digging that a lot. Okay. Now I would like to have gotten one that's just plain titanium. That's me. I'm not into the blue. And I think on their offerings they were having, yeah, one of them is going to be pretty plain, but it didn't have the Sagai pattern. You only got the Sagai pattern on the blue, which is a bummer. You know, I would love to have gotten that Sagai pattern on just a plain titanium. I think that would have looked really nice. Yeah, really, really cool. Definitely a functional little knife. All right, so let's look at this. We've got a flat grind. Everything's nicely chamfered all the way around. It does lock in, super, super tight locking there. Really comfortable all the way around. There's no clip on this, but this is a slip joint, so it has what they call a walk and talk. So it does a half stop right there, and it goes all the way out to a very solid half stop. And I love this full nail nick, this groove, whatever you call it. It's not really a fuller, but it allows you to easily grab this open, which is really nice for a slip joint. I do like that. Very functional blade, very useful blade. It's definitely something you could really use really nicely. It does have a little, if you like a lanyard kind of loop pin thing back here, you can definitely do that. T8s all the way around. Very comfortable. It's not really sharp on the top, which is really nice. The finger choil here works really nicely. It's made even for big meaty fingers, so it's really comfortable. That's really nice. I do enjoy that a whole lot. Beautiful backstop right here, titanium backspacer. I believe it's titanium. Let's double check that. Maybe it's steel. Probably it could be steel. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's a steel back. It's a titanium scale, but steel backspacer. Or I don't know what you call this, backlock? I don't know. Those of you guys who are slip joint experts, let me know, okay? Please let me know. But definitely very cool. I do like it. I like the titanium scales, which is really nice. That's really cool. All right, really, really nice. This is a quick impressions, first impressions, unboxing, if you will. And so far, it's really good. I like the case. I like the size. This is probably one of the most enjoyable slip joints to actually open and carry. If I was going to get one, this would probably be it. I mean, this would definitely be the one. Of course, my luck, it's not available, so there you go. My voice is kind of shot from my son's state championship. They were doing the marching in San Antonio. They got 4th overall in the state, which is awesome, behind a couple of great bands. So I thought this was going to be the year, and they did really well. I'm super proud. It's the best in school history ever. I know they wanted to do a little bit better than that, but you can't complain. That's really nice. So that's why my voice is hoarse. So if you're curious why I sound like a raspy old guy here, it's it's either that or it's the all the cedar here. So of course that kicks my butt too. All right, so I do like this. I like this a lot. There's a lot to be liked. It's comfortable. It's light. Excuse me. It fits in here really nicely. It comes in and out really well. I do enjoy that a lot. Yeah, that fits in really nicely. I do like that. If I was to carry something like this would definitely be something that I would do. Yeah. So there you go. Definitely pretty cool. I do like the options that you have on this. I think that's absolutely outstanding. And still, look at that right there. That's just amazing. All right, so let's do some up close here so we can look at that knife a little bit better. You can see the Sagai pattern. It's really beautiful, nice flat grind. A little dirty. Let's see if I can find something to wipe that off with. Do I have a cloth here? All right, so hopefully I got it a little cleaner. So there's the knife right there in all its glory. It's beautiful milling. And the pattern on there. Let's look at the other side. Really nice as well. And I don't see anything that says M390 on here at all. So, yeah. And the way, of course, slip joints, it's two-handed operation. You got to be careful when you close it. You don't want to let this guillotine down your finger because it does come down with some force. You can see that right here. Once you hit that stop, it locks in place pretty good. But man, the tolerances and everything are just really fantastic on this one. It's just outstanding. Outstanding. Yeah, and so let's just do a little up close with it closed. You can see with the nail nick. Really nice. All right, and then we'll just look here with the little case. Nice little slip joint. So yeah, so that is the Barley by Divo Knives. Beautiful prototype, or there's a prototype, obviously. It's in pre-order, and pre-order sold out for the Barley. Definitely check in. I think in Urban EDC said they're going to get theirs in on the 2024. So that means the pre-orders were sold out. Hopefully I'll have a few extra. Doesn't mean there'll be a whole lot, but if you want to get it, might be some available around 2024. Definitely one that I would be interested in. Of course, the first time I find something interesting and that I might actually consider buying, it's not available. That's just my good fortune there. So, maybe it's just not destined for me to ever have a slip joint. I'm okay with that. I like folding knives otherwise a lot. So, All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you also consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you. So thank you very, very much to every one of you guys out there. I really do appreciate you. And if you haven't already, hit the notification button so you can be notified of future content. That's also down there below. And if you haven't done so, there is a way to help the channel out. Become a channel member. There in the description down below, you'll see a little link for becoming channel members. And to all my channel members out there already, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you. And if you haven't already and you want to help the channel, hey, consider being a member. There's many tiers, and I would greatly appreciate it. It allows the channel to do a whole lot more things, and I'm very appreciative of all of that. And if you also want to check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much, and have a great day and a great week. Bye.